Wait a second. If ocean water looks clear in your hands, why does the whole ocean look blue? Is someone pouring giant buckets of blue paint into the sea? Did a whale spill blueberry juice everywhere? Or is sunlight playing a secret color trick under the waves? Today, we're diving into a big blue mystery, and the answer is pure science magic. Welcome to Funimation 3D, where science becomes fun, colorful, and easy to understand. Let's jump right in. When you stand on the beach and look at the ocean, it can look bright blue, deep blue, green, turquoise, or even brown. But if you scoop up a little ocean water in your hands, it usually looks almost clear. So where does that beautiful blue color come from? To solve this mystery, we need to start with sunlight. Sunlight may look white or yellow to our eyes, but it is actually made of many colors. Hidden inside sunlight are all the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. That means every sunny day, a rainbow is secretly traveling from the sun to Earth. You can sometimes see these colors when sunlight passes through raindrops and makes a rainbow in the sky. The colors were always there. The raindrops just helped split them apart. Now imagine sunlight zooming down from the sky and splashing into the ocean. What happens next? The water starts interacting with those colors. Think of the ocean like a giant color filter. Some colors get absorbed, which means the water soaks them up. Other colors keep traveling through the water for longer. Red light gets absorbed pretty quickly. Orange light gets absorbed too. Yellow light also disappears as sunlight travels deeper. But blue light is special. Blue light can travel farther through the water. It also scatters around in many directions. That means it bounces and spreads through the ocean more than many other colors. So when we look at the ocean, lots of blue light comes back to our eyes. And that is one big reason the ocean looks blue. Pretty cool, right? But wait, maybe you have heard someone say, the ocean is blue because it reflects the sky. That sounds like it makes sense. The sky is blue, the ocean is blue. Maybe the ocean is just a giant mirror. Well, the sky can help a little. When the water is calm and shiny, the ocean can reflect some of the blue sky, just like a mirror reflects your face. But that is not the main reason the ocean is blue. Even when the sky is cloudy, the ocean can still look blue. And deep water can look blue even when scientists study it far below the surface. That tells us something important. The ocean's blue color mostly comes from how water absorbs and scatters sunlight. The sky is part of the story, but water and light are the real stars. Now here is another fun question. Why is shallow ocean water sometimes clear, green, or turquoise instead of dark blue? Imagine you are standing near a tropical beach. The water is shallow, the sand is white, and the sun is shining brightly. Because the water is not very deep, sunlight can travel down to the sandy bottom. Then the light bounces off the bright sand and travels back up to your eyes. That can make the water look clear, glowing, or turquoise, like a giant natural swimming pool. Turquoise water often happens when the water is clean, shallow, and sitting above light-colored sand. It looks magical, but it is science. Now, what about green water? Sometimes the ocean looks green because of tiny living things called algae. Algae are like very small ocean plants. Many algae contain green pigments, kind of like the green color in leaves. When there are lots of algae floating in the water, the ocean can look green. That green color can also tell us that the ocean is full of life. Tiny algae help feed small sea animals, and those small animals feed bigger animals. So even tiny algae can be part of a huge ocean food chain. What about brown or muddy water? That can happen when rivers carry dirt, mud, and tiny bits of soil into the ocean. Waves can also stir up sand from the ocean floor. When many little particles float in the water, they change the color we see. Instead of blue or green, the water may look brown, gray, or cloudy. So the ocean's color can change depending on what is inside the water and how deep it is. Let's imagine this another way. A small glass of water looks clear. A bathtub full of water still looks mostly clear. A swimming pool may start to look a little blue, but the ocean is enormous. It is wide, deep, and full of sunlight traveling through layer after layer of water. The more water sunlight travels through, the more red, orange, and yellow light gets absorbed. Blue light keeps traveling and scattering, so our eyes see blue. That is why a tiny handful of ocean water looks clear, but the giant ocean looks blue. Here is a super cool ocean fact. The deeper the ocean is, the darker blue it can look. In very deep places, the ocean may look dark navy, almost like outer space. That is because less sunlight reaches deep down. The deeper you go, the darker and more mysterious it becomes. And here is another fun fact. Underwater, colors can change fast. A red toy or red fish may start to look dark or gray as it goes deeper, because red light disappears quickly under. That is why divers often use special lights when filming underwater. The lights help bring back the bright colors. So, let's recap our big blue mystery. Sunlight is made of many colors, like a hidden rainbow. When sunlight enters the ocean, water absorbs red, orange, and yellow more easily. Blue light travels farther and scatters more, so lots of blue reaches our eyes. The sky can reflect on the ocean, but it is not the main reason the ocean is blue. Shallow water can look clear or turquoise because light bounces off sand. And mud, algae, sand, and depth can all change the ocean's color. So the next time you look at the ocean, you can say, I know the secret. The ocean is blue because sunlight and water are doing an amazing color trick. If you enjoyed solving this ocean mystery, give this video a big like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Funimation 3D for more fun science adventures. Keep asking big questions, keep exploring, and keep discovering the amazing world around you with Funimation 3D.